Today, I'm really excited to bring you a review on the new age Iron Man Mini, which goes for around 10,700 Naira. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, sound quality, and user experience, so you can make an informed decision if this is the right AirPod for you. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tech reviews and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it and unbox the new age Iron Man Mini earbuds and explore what this gadget has to offer. As you can see, the package is silk and minimalist. It's a clean design that reflects the modern aesthetics of the product. In the box, we are greeted with the new age Iron Man Mini earbuds, a Type-C user cable, extra ear tips, and a user manual at the back. Looking at the Iron Man Mini, it looks really small, like the Oraimo Reef or the Oraimo Rose. The new age Iron Man Mini comes with Bluetooth version 5.0, distance of about 10 meters, earpods battery of 30 mAh, and charging case of about 300 mAh. The Iron Man Mini comes with a plastic build body and looks like a glass design. Inside the charging case, you would find the earpods themselves. The earpods is really light and fits perfectly into the ear, and you can wear it for more hours without having to feel any pain. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit the like button. On the earpods, this little space is touch sensitive and they control the calls and music. Now let's talk about the most important of any earpods. I have to say I'm really impressed with the audio performance from this earpod. Sound is well balanced with clear and crisp high and brings out the detail in the music. The vocals are rendered beautifully, allowing the lyrics to shine throughout without being overpowered by any other elements. I would leave a Jumia link in the description below if you wish to place an order. The mids are rich and warm and gives a nice depth to the overall sound. Coming to the bass, the earpods deliver a little punchy and well-defined solid foundation to the music. I tested the earpods on different genres and it handled them quite well. Currently, I'm using the earpods to listen to music, and this is what it sounds like. So yeah, I'm using the earpods to record this video. So this is what it sounds like. Don't always think about this, is it good or not. So go to the comment section and tell me what you think about it. The earpods turns on automatically once it's taken out of the charging case, just like every other AirPods. Connecting the earpods to my smartphone was really seamless using Bluetooth. Putting back the earpods into the charging case would turn it off. You can also turn on the earpods when it's mistakenly turned off without putting it back into the case. The earpods has a rough touch surface. I had little difficulty getting the right touch to use the earpod controls. To do this, you need to long press the left or right earpods for about 2 seconds to turn it on or off. New Age provided a call/music control guide in the manual. Using the earpods and the charging case took about 1 hour and 40 minutes. The earpods lasted up to 7 hours and 45 minutes while I was listening to music. The earpods has active noise cancellation. This technology is designed to block out external noise and provide a more immersive listening experience. I have to say the ANC on these earpods is quite impressive and doesn't require any button to turn on. I was on call with tech surgeon and I noticed a significant reduction in background noise and even in noisy environments. While I was on call with Bracket Reviews, they made a comment on the sound quality, saying my voice sounds like a robot. There are no companion apps for these earpods. Could not confirm if this device was water resistant as it was not mentioned, and I don't want to risk putting it into test without any information from New Age. We'll be making a comparison between the New Age Iron Man Mini and the Oraimo Reef. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to see that video. Overall, the earpods is worth the price, and the comfort of the earpods make it a good choice for those who spend more time wearing earpods. I'll leave a Jumia link in the description below in case you want to go ahead and place an order.